Yo, what's up guys? We are back with another fire video, and today we'll be showing you guys some tricks in Animal Company. Alright, let's go. So the first thing is that if you become big with broccoli, the Haunted Mansion lady can't kill you, right?
Yep.
So you just go there and you want to try to grab a key, become big, and then boom, you're there. So this is a trick that I figured out. Trick 2. So if you have one of these and you're low on money and you want to keep saving it, all you have to do is this. Boom. So look, nothing in it. Okay, ready? You just use it, put it in your bag, okay? And then look. Boom. You can just keep reusing it. See, look. Ready?
Yo. Yep.
So it's basically an infinity. Oh, I messed up that time.
I heard that you can do that in your stash too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So if you shoot the rocket into your stash and then you kind of like let it go as soon as it dies, you're like able to have it in your stash.
Well, that's cool. Here's another trick. The spinny top. Spin!
Yo, 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 yo. It's like a Beyblade.
It's Beyblades.
Oh god!
Alright. The next trick is teleportation grenades. Grenades actually do damage. So I'm at full health. So if I try to do like this glitch, which it's patched. Look. See?
Look,
it just
right
took
there.
half my health.
It does damage.
So if you guys are wondering why you're taking damage, that's why. See? And if you're at Planetarium, a trick is, if you have enough money and you're pretty rich, you can just grab an RPG and blow up the purple planet and you'll get all the crystals and it'll be super easy.
Let's go down to Haunted Mansion and show them how the lady can't kill you.
Okay.
It's gonna be risky though, but we'll do it for the video.
Yep.
Hey yo, that's good. That's good. I'm gonna become a big boy.
Alright.
Oh.
Let's use the trick to get there. Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Alright, let's go. This is how useful it is. Oh my gosh, it's Ogie Boy. What's up?
Oh, he just got his ankles broken.
For real. Alright, let's go.
Did you bring a hook shot? Oh god, he's coming.
I have to get some broccoli. Alright, eat some broccoli.
Coming. Go broccoli. Eat. Do you want the light since you're recording the video?
Sure. Thank you.
Right here. Put it on your hip slot. There
Okay.
you go.
Here's some extras. Oh, there's nothing left. Okay, let's go. Hello? Is anyone home? You want some broccoli? You need to eat your greens. Hello? Hello? Ooh.
Oh god.
Here.
What?
They patched it.
They patched.
Guys, they patched the trick. No!
Michael! Don't please!
No! I just got jump scared to the next generation. It does take a little bit though. Alright, come back.
I'm coming, bro. Bro, you left me there to die!
Alright, last trick. Just become big. You don't have to become big, but it makes you faster. So go ahead and grab a hook
And
shot.
it makes items that pull your weight less efficient. Look.
Yeah.
It's
'Cause
much
you're heavier.
slower.
All right. So this is an easy way to get to the lava map. So what you're gonna want to do is grab some broccoli. So you do need broccoli.
Give me some broccoli.
Here's 2.
Broccoli.
You're gonna probably need 2 broccoli. So what you're gonna want to do is come up here. This is an easy way to get to the lava map. So what you're gonna want to do is come up to this little spot up here. Oh my gosh. Okay, then you're gonna want to come to this spot right here, up at the top, and then make sure you're like on the barrier, and then just eat one. Boom.
Can I get one?
You don't have one?
I'll just go grab one from my stash.
Okay. So that's how you can get like that. And then we'll show you where to go. Now you can get many places from here. But I don't know. He's coming. Just wait a second. Let's see if we can climb this. Oh, it does have like effect. Does this?
I'm coming.
Okay. Boom. Okay. Then, oh no! No!
No! What?
And then you're gonna fall down. Oh my gosh! But that is how you get to the lava
I
map.
missed it! Oh no, I missed it!
Same. So what you're gonna want to do is just go a little bit faster and farther.
My body just got yeeted at light speed.
All right, let's go back.
Can I get...
So let's try to. Oh yeah.
Broccoli. Broccoli. Oh!
Okay. So you get some
I'm just
broccoli,
gonna grab a hook shot.
like before. Come up here. Now there are many different ways to get there to different places, but this is a good one. Very simple. I spoke too soon. It's very simple as I get heated. Let's wall climb.
Yo, bro, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here. I got yeeted.
Oh no.
No! No!
No! I believe I...
Alright, let's speed run. Go! Go, 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 go! Go right here. Boom. Okay. So you're gonna wanna come over here. Come over here. Is the barrier here? Is the barrier here? It should be. Okay, and then you're just gonna jump really far. Ready? Bang! No! And then you start falling.
Oh, we're so dead, we're so dead.
I made it! See, that's an easy way. Oh, hi little fishy. Fishies. Hi fishies. Wanna have a talk? Wanna have a talk? Yes? Yes? Wanna have a talk, right? No, no!